Well, the following video has absolutely nothing to do with my shop, my business, restoring bikes, anything like that. It's a favor for a friend. A friend of mine owns a Moto Tire here in Phoenix. Good guy, name is Chad. He has a really nice, I think he said 66 Triumph TR6 in his shop, Moto Tire, and is interested in selling it. So I told him I'd tell people, if there's anybody in the Phoenix area who wants to look at it, that here I am. I've got a video of it that'll follow. And the thing that I can say about the bike is literally, I looked at it and I could not find anything on the bike that I could pick on. Whoever built it, it's sort of a semi-street legal racer. It's a TR6 and it's lovely. Beautiful paint job. The bike is clean. Runs well. I got nothing negative to say about it. So if you're interested in an interesting bike, take a look at the following video and Google Moto Tire, M-O-T-O Tire, Phoenix, Arizona, Cave Creek Road. Ask for Chad. Once again, he's a friend of mine, a business associate. He's very valuable to me. Please be very nice. Please don't do anything silly. It's a good bike. And I do not know anything at all about what he's asking for it or anything like that. That's not my concern. I just told him I'd video it and put it on YouTube for my folks to look at, and then it's up to you to contact him. Okay? So once again, he's a friend of mine. Treat him like so. Thank you. It's a nice bike. Okay. Yeah, a friend of mine owns a tire shop. Lovely place. This is the Moto Tire that I've mentioned many times in my videos. And he has this bike, it came in, and he'd like to turn it over. It is just a sweet 650 Triumph. I think it's 1965. And I cannot find anything on this bike that I take exception to. It's lovely. And